Once upon a time, there was a dog named Bogart. One day, he was walking by a pedestrian lane because there were no cars. That's because Jeep is not a car, and it ran across the poor dog. Bogarta, his mother, brought him to the hospital, but they weren't accepted. Rather, they were told to go to the vet. You know, they're animals, they need special doctors. Okay, Bogarta and Bogart went to the vet, but they weren't accepted either because the vet doesn't accept talking animals. Fortunately, there was a fairy over there that told them that there is a hospital and a vet combined together which can cure talking animals. However, it is located at the summit of Mount Animarium. The dogs don't know how to get there. At last, they found their way to the foot of the mountain and started climbing it. On the way, they encountered a Yeti, and another Yeti, and yet another Yeti. Suddenly, all the Yetis fell down. The dogs discovered they have gone to the wrong mountain. They have gone to the Mount Everest. So, let's just start over again. Bogart was hit by a jeepney, and Bogarta has to bring him to a combination of hospital and a vet and cure him. It can only be found on top of Mount Animarium. They went to a robo-wizard. The robo-wizard knows where Mount Animarium is, but he has one condition. He wanted Bogarta. He transformed Bogarta into a beautiful woman, and that's the only condition he wanted. Then he told them that Mount Animarium is underneath the ground they are standing on. Then he left. Bogarta took Bogart and went underground. Unfortunately, there is a giant waiting for them.
No, please, Mr. Giant, let us pass.
Pleaded Bogarta.
With only one condition. I must have the voice of Bogart. Wait for the thunder.
Said the giant. Then the giant did what he wanted. But what he was saying afterward is,
Bark, 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 bark.
they did not understand what the giant was saying, so they continued on their way. What a silly dog-voiced giant. Suddenly, the two continental plates converge and form another mountain. That mountain turned out to be Mount Animarium itself. Unfortunately, it has a password. Bogarta tried 5, 3, 4, 6, 2, 7, 9. It didn't succeed. Instead, it switched to POK mode. The heck of it! But there's a dragon with no eyes and no wings, but can't sense the common sense. He said that Bogarta has inherited powers in the process of turning from a dog into a beautiful woman. Her power is to turn back time, that no one else can do. So, she traveled back in time and tried million times until she got the password. It was 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. And then, they entered the mountain, but there is another password that is way harder than the last one. She tried
nine, 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 nine.
Sorry for the musical, but it failed and is set to PUK mode again. But look, there was a ladder at every wall.